Hello guys, welcome back to Divya Tales. So finally today I thought to share my first ever SSB experience in 33 SSB Bhopal for SSC Women entry. So this is a tech entry basically. So actually this video I thought to make in Telugu, but my intention was it must be useful to all the people. So if I make in Telugu, so many people are asking to make it in English. So I thought rather than making in Telugu, if I make in English, it would be available to all the other language people also. So if anyone want in Telugu exclusively, please do comment. I'll make another video for you people. So without delay, let's start. My interview is on 20th April, right, at Bhopal. So I started on 26th night. So I reached by 27th night. So I went to MCO office and they told me to report on next day 5:30 a.m. So on 27th night I stayed nearby hotel in Bhopal station, and then I reported at the early morning, and they took all of us in the bus. So there we had a breakfast. Okay, they get some bread and jam and everything. It was good actually. So finally, we went for the first initial process. We were done with the document verifications, and there are few people who are having a problem in the documents, and they helped. Like they were not like rejecting, and they're giving some copies and all. They really that was very good actually. To be very honest, this is my first experience, right? And this is the first day, 28th April. So I already booked my ticket on 20th evening itself. Since it was my first attempt, somewhere in my mind, I was like, I felt maybe I'll get screened out. Everything was completely new for me, but I had a thorough preparation, but still, somewhere that confidence is not making me stand over there, but still, I kept all of my efforts and I gave. On screening day during the OR test, I honestly wasn't fully satisfied with the performance. So in the first paper, I attempted around 30 questions out of 60. In the second paper, I attempted only 25 questions. Because there is a time exists, right? For the 60 questions, we'll get 30 minutes of time, right? So we need to put fastly and fastly. So in the first paper, like most of the questions were mathematical one. So I solved based on the time constraint, which felt easy. So I solved most of them. So I only kept which I am confident. I did not waste the time anyway. So in first paper like 30 questions, in second paper 25 questions. So because of that, my confidence was literally dropped. I attempted only 30 questions. I attempted only 25 questions. Okay, then it was okay. Like let's see what is going to happen. Then we all gathered again, and they conducted all the PPDT and all. So I felt slightly better because I was able to express my points clearly during the discussion. Like, what is the picture? There is a girl who is standing and who is writing the records, and beside of her there is a one man, and there is also a one woman who is sitting on the bed. That is overall the picture which was shown in PPDT, and I kept my strong points and whatever I felt. And there are some people in my group like who had a similar thoughts, and already the officers told that don't make it as a fish market. But still, I should say, like, in my practice and coaching, online coaching, it was like a fish market. But there in center, it was really actually good because our officer told sir told that don't make a fish market, so it was went really good actually. So yeah, I felt there was again my confidence got increased after PPDT because I felt my points were actually good. While waiting for the screening result, I was super nervous. Like, what if I get screened out? I should call my parents and I should go back to the home today itself. I came so far from Vizag and all, and then suddenly my chest number got called, chest number 69. That moment honestly felt so special. So before screening, my chest number was 69, and before the process, and after getting screened in, my chest number was 13. That moment literally felt so happy because I was a person who came with all random thoughts, like will I get selected? Because this is my first experience, and before that also I did not do any SSB, so I was like nervous little, but with my confidence and with my God's blessing. So I got screened in. So next came the psychology test. That first day, it is done with the first day. First day was done. 120 people came. Out of that, they took 28 people screened in. I'll be displaying the picture. You can see here. So next came the second day. So for these 28 people, they allocated us all the rooms. The rooms was good actually. Yeah, for room we are having around six people, six separate beds, and the environment and everything was good. The accommodation is also like actually good. Food was also like tasty. Even though I came from the south, I had not felt it in a different way. It's like a north food and everywhere. One day they used to keep a south food, another day they used to keep northern food, and it was really good actually. So after getting screened in, I called to my parents because they told that we should hand over all the mobiles to them. So I was like, Mommy, I won't be available for the next 4 days. So if possible, I'll make an STD call, but I'm not sure whether I'm going to make it or not. So that is what happened. They took all the phones and they gave us after completion of conference and all. So next came the psychology test. In that, I completed all the stories. For the blank story, I wrote all my life experience, NCC journey, and what I learned and how I brought up those all. So in that, like word association test, I attempted all the 60 words, though I felt like I misunderstood one word, but I am able to attempt all the 60 words. Then came my like SRT. I attempted 36 situations. There are actually 60 situations. There is a friend of me who attempted 45 questions, and there is a friend of mine who attempted 60 questions. Yeah, like the person who attempted 45 questions also got recommended. But still, see, it is not about writing all the questions. The quality is more important. Yeah, even though I did not get recommended, but I felt I made a mistake in this. Like, I am not satisfied with my answers in SRT because I was like, maybe I wrote long answers, so that is the reason why. So I'm able to put only 36 questions out of 60. Then came my favorite part, GTO task. In both group discussions, I participated actively. One topic was about Iran and Israel war, and the other was live-in relationship. I kept my points in the first GD, I got a less opportunity, and in second GD, I got my own points. It was good actually, and I shared my opinions confidently while also listening to others. So in outdoor tasks too, I tried contributing throughout honestly. In PGT, I felt like a little quiet because it was my first experience. To be frank, I took an online coaching. There, I had an experience of only these kind of things like no physical things, right? So I did not have an experience of GTO and all. So as it was my first time, I did not know how exactly the task works and all. So at that moment, I felt I hadn't performed well. So but slowly I improved my involvement in the remaining task. So because of that, as I experienced the PGT, I'm able to perform well in my command task. I completed within the time and explained my the hard group task and the final group task. They also went well. And yes, in group the half group task and the final group task also went well. And yes, in group abstracting races, our team won the first position. It won the first position because our team was actually strong. We had a people of 10. That was an energetic and a memorable thing, I could say. Yeah, literally, I felt I could cross the wall of China or not, but I did it. And in individual obstacles, I completed six obstacles, and the seventh one remained incomplete. Yeah, because they'll be giving 3 minutes of time, and we'll have a 10 obstacles, right? So I completed only six, and the highest one, I think, one girl or two or three girls has completed 8 obstacles and all. So my personal interview lasted around 1 hour 30 minutes, literally 1 hour 30 minutes, and it was honestly about myself, my background, and also technical questions. As I told you, it is a technical entry, and also the some questions related to Navy and all. So finally, during the conference, they asked about my overall stay and my experience, how I was feeling before entering the conference hall. I shared my genuine thoughts confidently. Yeah, overall SSB journey gave me much more than just an experience. So finally, after the conference, we all sat in a waiting hall. Like they called again us and they declared the results. They recommended only 6 people out of 28 people. Yeah, this is what happened. I'm not there in that. Yeah, but I felt like it was overall a great experience, one should experience. I learned a lot of things. I met a lot of people from different states. Like I met a people from Kerala, Punjab, and Bangalore, Chennai. Uh, yeah, different people. I went one girl from Bhopal, and I get to know their experience. And even in our gang, one of my roommate got recommended. Yeah, we felt so happy. And I learned a lot from those people, even. I came to experience the new things. So overall, this SSB journey. So overall, this SSB journey gave me a much more than just an experience. I literally, my confidence got increased. The when I was went to the first experience, the confidence I had is a different. Now the confidence I had is a very different one because I experienced all the things. I am literally grateful for that, whatever I experienced. So it improved my confidence, teamwork, communication skills, and helped me to understand the myself better. Like to what extent I can perform better. So next time I could prepare better than that. So, and honestly, no matter what the result is, so journey will always stay so special to me. And the friends I made, literally everyone were like, even though they are from different states and all, they shared their experience. They helped me in a lot of things. Yeah, that was actually good. So if you want any furthermore details, please do comment and also follow Divya Tales in Instagram. You can DM me over there. Like if you are going for the first time, you'll be having a lot of queries and all. And if you also wanted to know where I took online coaching, do comment in YouTube and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. Thank you. Bye bye.